Hello guys, how to set or how to change calculation options manually in Microsoft Excel. If you want to change Microsoft Excel calculation option, then here are the process. Open any Microsoft Word Excel documents first, and here from the top menu bar go to file, and to change calculation option go to file, hover the cursor on more, and here choose options. Click on options, and here from the left side menu go to formulas, Excel options, go to formulas, and here you will find calculation option. Automatic except for data tables, manual, changes option related to formula calculation, performance and error heading. Here you can change from automatic to manual, recalculate workbook before saving. You may check this option, and finally click on OK to save the changes. Now your formula calculation in Excel is duly set as manual from automatic. Now if you want to change, then go to same process and choose automatic.